Gains is an app to assist you when working with a consumer to learn a life or vocational skill. It helps with data collection and automatically updates the target step. It provides levels of guidance you can choose and reminds you when to reinforce the consumer. We will first show you a short video of essential features to get you started using Gains. After this, you will get a chance to practice using Gains. The login screen is displayed when you start the Gains app. For username, we will use DSP, and for password, train DSP1. We then select the Begin button. This brings up the student screen labeled Students. Press the Setup button on the top right-hand side. Initial settings have guidance as detailed with the remaining settings unchecked. When you practice, you will use headphones, which we will show you later. You do not have to adjust the volume on the headphones themselves. You can adjust the volume by moving the volume button.
Volume changed.
We will select the only student, Joe Chimes Demo. This brings you to the program screen. There is an unmastered tab, a master tab, and an all tab. The unmastered tab is the default tab and should be highlighted in blue. For now, only one program is assigned. If the program is not visible, make sure the unmastered tab is selected. In this case, the program assigned is put on glasses. The first step, touch glasses, is the target step. We will press this button. The program setup is given. The information is displayed on the screen and given through the headphones. Let's press Next. For each step, you're always given the number of the step, whether it is the target step, and the prompt level. Since detailed guidance was selected in instructor settings, detailed guidance is provided. The first step, touch glasses, is the target step. You would give the SD and say, Joe, put on your glasses, and wait 3 to 5 seconds to see if Joe touches the glasses by himself. In this case, we will assume that Joe does correctly touch the glasses independently, and we will select the plus button. And we can do that anywhere in the green area. Since the target step was the first step and done correctly, Gains reminds you to reinforce now and gives the guidance for the next step, pick up glasses. Assume Joe does not do this independently. Select the incorrect button on the right label with the minus sign. This brings up the next prompt level gesture. I will continue to select a minus to show you the prompt levels until full physical is displayed. Model, incorrectly again, brings up partial physical, incorrectly again, brings up full physical. And then I will just play plus to get to the next step. So I indicate plus, and this brings me to the third step and the last step. In this case, we're just going to press plus to bring you to end the session. And this brings you back up to the place where you can put in comments. You can either select yes to put in comments or no. In this case, we won't add any comments. This brings us back to the program screen, and you can see now that the next step is pick up glasses independently. And what that means is because we set the mastery to only one time this time, it actually made the target go to the next step. Now you will get a chance to practice using Gains. First, you'll see a short video to turn on the tablet and put on the headphones. Thank you.